Hey guys, what's going on? Pablo here. If you've been here before, welcome back. If it's your first time here, welcome. A lot of you guys have been asking me how I've been using the Zhiyun Smooth 4 with the iPhone 12 Pro Max. I'm going to show you today exactly how. So the question of how I'm able to use the iPhone 12 Pro Max with the Zhiyun Smooth 4, being that the iPhone 12 Pro Max is really heavy, is in this bag. So let me show you what exactly we have going on. So in here, I have a counterweight. So this one here, people have been asking me what I've been using, and this is it. I know I've been putting this in some of my other videos down in the comments. So this little guy here is what's been helping me keep the iPhone 12 Pro Max balanced on the Zhiyun Smooth 4. So I'm going to show you exactly how you set it up, you put it together, and how it keeps it balanced. And I've been able to use it quite well, actually. Very little issues for the most part. Sometimes it'll fall down, when it goes one way or the other. But honestly, it's happened probably twice, and there's been times I've been filming and having this on for about an hour or 2 hours, and it hasn't fallen. So I know that it's been working. The main question, I guess, is how taxing is it on the motors inside? And because of that, will it shorten its lifespan? So let's put this on. We're gonna grab the, and this one here I got from Moment, and it works perfectly with the Zhiyun Smooth 4 because here, this way, you'll see the arm kind of bends there, and this fits perfectly right around that. So, right on there. So with the Pro Max, when you have the entirety of the counterweight on here, it's too heavy. So what we need to do is unscrew two sides of it, and each one of these sides is 30 grams. So this is 30 grams, so we're gonna be moving 62 grams off and leaving the middle piece, which I believe is 60 grams by itself. Put those there. So now it's much better. And we're gonna put the phone in here, and you kind of need to just move the phone, obviously, to get it balanced, right? So right now it's not that good, so I'm gonna move it over just a little bit more. And there we go, nice and balanced. So we'll turn this on. We are nice and balanced. It's staying. You can move it around, use it like you normally would. So this is how I've been able to use the iPhone 12 Pro Max with the Zhiyun Smooth 4 using the counterweights. It's been working out perfectly for me. So honestly, I don't know if I would get another gimbal if this is actually working. And now I'm going to test out the Moment lenses on this setup and see if now I can make that work. It's going to be a lot heavier than just having this without a lens. And so the next video I'm going to show you if we can use the lenses, or which other lenses we can use for this setup. So I'll link down the counterweights in the description. Same with the Smooth 4. If you don't have it already, if you want to try something, I really like this gimbal. The only downside, just the size of the gimbal itself. I wish it was a little bit more compact, so I can just kind of put it in a pocket easier, or more easily. But this is a really good gimbal in my opinion. I've had it for, I don't know, 10 months now, and I really haven't used it to its full capacity yet, but it's super easy to use, and it really takes nice stabilized shots. So If you have any other questions, you have any other comments, put them down below. Hit that like button if this video helped you out. Subscribe if you haven't. And as always, keep on living a modern lifestyle through technology. Peace.